Fix YouTube playlist not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for YouTube application. So just make sure that you have the updated version of the application on your device. As you can see, the app is updated to its latest version and I don't have the option of update over here. So I'm gonna go back and then make a long press on the YouTube application. As I make a long press, you'll be given two options of app info and remove. So just tap on app info. And after that, you'll be able to land on a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and then tap on clear cache. Then OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for the applications over here. After that, go back and you'll be able to fix the YouTube playlist not showing. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.